Hi, I'm Paddy Byrne. I work as a functional consultant based in Glasgow in Scotland in the United Kingdom, and I've just completed the 90-day mentoring challenge hosted by Mark Smith. I got a lot of value out of the challenge. Two key areas of value in that I gained more confidence. So throughout the challenge, Mark challenges you and encourages you to interact with the group and report back to the group on what you've learned and what actions you're going to take going forward. I've also got direction, and before I started the mentoring challenge I knew I wanted to embark and forge a career within the Microsoft business applications, but I didn't really know where to start or where I was going even. By the end of the challenge is finished, I have got clear career goals and even a 3-year career plan in place. The best thing about the mentoring challenge, for me anyway, is that it's not finished yet. I have an extensive reading list that I've gained from Mark, a load of online courses to go through, a plethora of new connections that I can ask advice and get feedback from and give and provide feedback to, and again clear objectives that I'm going to follow to forge my career in Microsoft Business Applications. It's been fantastic. I recommend it to anyone. Thanks very much.